Hello and welcome to part 1 of building a garden. In this video we will focus on raised beds. We will show you our garden plan, the layout, and how we assembled the raised beds. First, measure your space and draw up a plan. Consider where your raised beds will be, how they're organized, and what landscaping materials you will use. With plan in hand, measure and mark beds and gravel area. Rocks, flags, wood, and rebar help in aligning these areas. Building on a hill is tricky. View from different angles and measure twice. Our retaining wall and driveway are not perpendicular. We had to adjust the lines to make it less noticeable from each direction. Building raised beds on a hill also means digging down, or building up, or inserting more sidewalls. Notice each garden bed sits at a different level. This adds interest to the garden. Once we set our 4 feet long 4x4 pressure treated posts in the ground, we attached the siding and then we added trim to the sides for stability. We used 1x6 prime fascia boards for the caps of our raised beds. We attached them into the posts using coated screws. You can choose from different products for your ground cover. We chose hog fuel. It's more affordable for large areas. Hog fuel is an unrefined mix of coarse chips of bark and wood fiber. Hog fuel is also used in dog runs and paths. Part 2 will help you with estimating how much you need. We added a 3-inch layer of compost to each raised bed, then mixed it together with our dirt using a shovel. For fun, we made our own tomato supports by tying branches together with twine. Thanks again for joining us for part 1 of building a garden. Stay tuned for part 2 as we practice estimating the amount of materials needed for the garden, such as dirt, gravel, and ground cover.